ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। नानाछिद्रघटोदरस्थितमहादीपप्रभाभास्वरं ज्ञानं यस्य तु चक्षुरादिकरणद्वारा बहिस्पन्दते। जानामीति तमेव भान्तमनुभात्येतत्समस्तं जगत्। तस्मै श्री गुरुमूर्तये नम इदं श्री दक्षिणामूर्तये। नानाछिद्र घटोदर स्थित महादीप प्रभाभास्वरम। दिस इज दी दृष्टांत। दीप प्रभाभास्वरम ज्ञानम यस्य यस्य ज्ञानम। So whose knowledge is like the light of a lamp, big lamp, Mahadeepa, kept in a big pot with many holes. That Bhaswaram Jnanam Chakshuradi Dwara Bahihi Spandate. So through the Shrotra, Chakshu ityadi Karana, it goes out, Bahihi Spandate. So this is to point out the Sphuranam, Atma Sphuranam. What was said in the previous shloka is Atma Sphuranam, that is this Jnanam. And Tameva Bhantam Etat Samastam Jagat Anubhati. Only when that Chaitanya Jnanam is there, then everything else shines after that. And how does it express? So the first Jnanam is in the form of Janami. In that Janami iti, what is said, so Aham is already known. Then only everything else is Janami. Aham Ghatam Janami, Aham Vriksham Janami, Pashyami. Whatever else is there, Aham is there first. That Aham is the Chaitanya Jnanam, Swata Siddha Atma Sphuranam. Everything else is after that. So Tameva Bhantam Etas Samastam Jagat Anubhati. Tasmai Shri Gurumurtaye Shri Dakshinamurtaye Idam Nama. That is Dakshinamurti. To that Dakshinamurti is this salutation. This Jnanam is Dakshinamurti. And this phrase is, you know, this is from the famous Mundaka, Katha, Shvetashvatara, all these Upanishads they have. Tameva Bhantam Anubhati Sarvam Tasya Bhasa Sarvam Idam Vibhati. So two things are mentioned here. First is Tameva Bhantam Anubhati Sarvam. After it, everything else shines. So first is Atma, Atmasfuranam. Then thereafter is all Anatmasfuranam. This is first thing. And then Tasya Bhasa Sarvamidam Vibhati. By that, all this else is also shining. So, in this way, two separate ideas are given. First is Atma shining, then everything else shines. And because of Atma's light, everything else is illumined. So, it is not that Atma has its own light, Anatma has its own light or Sfuranam, and then first Atma's illumination, then Anatma's illumination. Atma is first illumination, Anatma is later. This is one part. Atma's illumination is independent. All Anatma illumination is dependent. Tasya bhasa idam sarvam vibhati. टीका नाना अनेकानि छिद्राणि यस्मिन् सह नाना छिद्रः स च असौ घटश्चेति तथा. सो नाना छिद्र घट, दैट मच इज एक्सप्लेन्ड. नाना छिद्राणि यस्मिन् सह नाना छिद्रः. नाना मीन्स मेनी, अनेकानि, नाना अनेकानि छिद्राणि यस्मिन् सह नाना छिद्रः. स च असौ घटश्च, एंड नाना छिद्रश्च असौ घटश्च इति नाना छिद्रः. सो तथा इज नाना छिद्र घटः. देन तस्योदरे मध्ये. सो तस्य उदरे नाना छिद्र घटोदर. सो द फर्स्ट समास इज नाना छिद्राणि यस्मिन् सह नाना छिद्रः. दैट समास इज बहुव्रीहि समास. नाना छिद्रश्च असौ घटश्च इति. व्हाट इज दैट समास? दैट इज कर्मधारय समास. घटश्च इति तथा. देन तस्य उदरे, दैट इज षष्ठी तत्पुरुष. तस्य उदरे नाना छिद्र घट, तस्य उदरे. उदरे मीन्स मध्ये स्थितः. सो इन इट, इन द मिडल ऑफ द पॉट, इन इट्स बेली, यो महादीपो अक्षुद्रदीपः. दिस महादीपः अक्षुद्रदीपः तस्य प्रभावत, लाइक द शाइन ऑफ दैट दीप, तस्य प्रभावत भास्वरम, भास्वरम अनन्याधीन अलुप्त प्रकाश स्वरूपम. टू ब्यूटिफुल पॉइंट्स आर गिवन. अनन्याधीनम and alupta prakasha swarupam. Ananyadhinam means na anyadhinam iti ananyadhinam. That which does not depend upon anything else is called ananyadhinam. This Mahadipaha, the sutra for that, it is an mahatah samanadhikarana jatiyayoho. Like Mahadeva, mahaccha tad devascha, or mahaccha asau devascha, Mahadeva. Mahabrahmana, Mahabahu, you know, in Bhagavad Gita, Mahabahu. So Mahabahu is again Mahat Tad Bahu. So in that agama will come. So like Mahadeva, Mahabrahmana, Mahabahu. In this way, Mahadipaha. Is because of the sutra An Mahataha. An Mahataha Samanadikarana Jatiyayoho. Number if you want, you write down 6346. छः तीन 46 तस्य प्रभावद भास्वरम. So like that it has the shine, ananyadhina, not depending upon anything, and it by itself is also ever illumining. Alupta prakasha swarupam, the one whose light never goes away. यस्य चिदात्मनो अनेक छिद्रवती देहे स्थितस्य. So yasya chidatmanah, in other words we are talking about this chidatma, chaitanya. Chidatmanah aneka chidravati dehe, that atma, chaitanya sarup atma, which is there in this deha with many chidras. स्थितस्य ज्ञानम स्वरूप भूतम चक्षुरादिकरण द्वारा. स्वरूप भूत ज्ञानम थ्रू चक्षुरादिकरण. So all sense organs, the 9 gates, even though there are 11 gates, but at least through 9 gates the Vishaya Jnanam takes place. Chakshuradikarana द्वारा देहे स्थितस्य ज्ञानम स्वरूपभूतम चक्षुरादिकरण द्वारा. So Jnanam is Swarupa of this Atma, not that Atma and then it has Jnanam different from it. Swarupa Bhutam Jnanam Tattad Indriya Chidra Margena Bahihi Visheshu Rupadishu Spandate Gacchati. Tattad Indriya Chidra Margena, through the Indriya Chidras, through the holes of the sense organs, Bahihi Vishayeshu Rupadishu Spandate, externally in the Vishayas like Rupa etc., Spandate Gacchati. Yatha, clear so far? Anandji also? In tattad indriya chidra margena, indriyas are the holes and the jnanam goes out. Chaitanya goes out in the form of bahi visheshu rupadishu spandate, towards the shabda sparsha rupa rasa gandha. Yatha, now drishtanta, ghatat chidrebhyo viprasrutaha deepa prabha. Deepa prabhaha. So the light of a lamp which is kept inside the pot, through that chidra, the holes in the pot, viprasrutaha, the prakasha goes out, deepa prabha, tat sannihitan vishayan prapya. Then having approached the sannihita vishaya, those vishayas which are close by. So obviously certain sense organs can know the objects only when they are close, and certain sense organs can see far, like seeing, hearing, far objects can also be known, but taste and touch require proximity, and smell, for some people it is close enough. Only if it is close they can smell. Some things we can smell from far. Actually it is always close. How, you know? Gandha, see, Gandha is guna, correct? Gandha guna cannot stay without dravya, because guna cannot stay without dravya. Now if the flower is far and I am smelling it here, or sometimes we say the agarbatti is far, incense stick, and I am here. How can I smell that? So it is not that only gandha comes, along with that small particle of dravya also comes, anurupa, because guna cannot survive without dravya, so it has to come along with the dravya. दीपप्रभाः विप्रसृताः दीपप्रभाः तत्सन्निहितान् विषयान् प्राप्य. So the proximate vishayas which are there, having attained them, tadakaraha satyaha. Tadakaraha satyaha. Satyaha is what? Satyam is Napunsakalinga. What is satyaha? Satyaha is Bahuvachanam of Sati. Satyau Satyaha. Tadakaraha. So Tadakara Sati, instead of that, Tadakaraha Satyaha, because Bahuvachanam is going on everywhere. Tadgata Tamo Bhibhavanti. Tadgata Vishayagata. The Vishayagata Avarana is overpowered by, overpowered means is eliminated by this light of the lamp. Deepa Prabhaha Tadgata Vishayagata Tamo Abhibhavanti. Tatha. So this was Drishtanta part. तथा in the same way देह छिद्रगतेन्द्रिय द्वारा प्रसरन् मनोवृत्त्यवभासकतया तदात्मकताम् आपन्नानि चिदात्मस्वरूपाणि ज्ञानानि स्फुरणस्वभावानि तत्तदर्थं प्राप्य तदाकाराकारितानि विषयगत अज्ञातताम् अभिभवन्ति. विषय प्रकाश शब्दवाच्यानि भवन्ति इत्यर्थः. It's a big vakya and lot of phrases are put. Tatha, in the same way, deha छिद्रगतेन्द्रिय द्वारा, the chidras which are there in the deha, by them, deha छिद्रगते indriya द्वारा prasaran, through the sense organs. So the Atma Chaitanya Jnanam goes through Indriya. It means whichever Pramana Vritti we have to use. Prasaran Manovritti Avabhasakataya. And Chaitanya which is going outside through sense organs, it has to ride over Manovritti. So it becomes illuminator of Manovritti. So Shuddha Jnanam is now available as Vritti Avachinna Jnanam, Vritti Avachinna Chaitanya. Manovritti Avabhasakataya Tad Atmakatam Apannani. Tad Atmakatam means Vritti Atmakatam Apannani. It will become one with the vritti. This jnanam and vritti, they become one. Tadatmakatam apannani chidatma swarupani jnanani. So jnanam with vritti, their tadatmya is there, and therefore vritti itself becomes jnanam as though, because of tadatmya. Chidatma swarupani jnanani Sphurana Swabhavani. All these jnanam, they are there now in the form of Sphurana, Chaitanya Swarupa. Tattadartham prapya. So each vritti now. So the vritti which goes through Chakshurindriya, which goes through Shrotrendriya, which goes through other indriyas, tattadartham prapya tadakara karitani vishayagata अज्ञातताम अभिभवन्ति. तदाकारा कारितानि. So they become the Vishayakara. Vishayagata Ajnatatam Abhivanti. What is this Vishayagata Ajnatatam Abhivanti? This is little, we discussed this in Panchadashi Kutasthadeepa Prakarana, and this is also discussed in Brahadaranyaka Vartika in the Sambandha Vartikas. The Vishaya, this is little new topic, so think of it, means new in the sense that we did discuss this in Panchadashi, as I mentioned. Vishaya is when Vishaya becomes known. Let us say Ghata becomes known. So what do I say? First is Vritti Vyapti and Phala Vyapti, and then I say Maya Ghataha Jnataha. Aham Ghatam Janami. What is given here as Janamiti. So Aham Ghatam Janami. This takes place. So if the question comes Ghataha Jnataha Nava, Ghataha Jnato Ghato Jnato Nava, if this question is asked, is the pot known or not known? So what will be our answer after knowing it? We say Ghataha Jnataha. So this Jnatata of the object is illumined by Sakshi. The object Ghataha is illumined by Chidabhasa through Ghatakara Vritti. And what takes place is Ghata Jnanam. So now you have Ghata Jnanam and the Chidabhasa which illumined the Ghata. All three are illumined by Sakshi. This is called Jnatata in Ghata. What has happened is Jnatata has come in Ghata. Just as Ghata has Jnatata, before it became known, there has to be Ajnatata in that Ghata. Because I will say, earlier this was not known. So earlier this was not known. When it is said in this way, what is meant? There was Ajnatata in Ghata. Now if there is Jnatata after this Pramana Vyapara, earlier there has to be Ajnatata. If that Ajnatata was there, that Ajnatata was illumined by what? You cannot say Ajnatata is illumined by Pramana. Why you cannot say Ajnatata is illumined by Pramana? Because Ajnatata is eliminated by Pramana. Therefore, Ajnatata cannot be illumined by Pramana. Ghata Ajnataha. That Ajnatata is removed by Pramana Vyapara. So, Pramana Vyapara cannot illuminate. Because whenever something is eliminator, it cannot be the illuminator. Clear? Like if there is darkness, if that darkness is to be illumined, and if I bring light, darkness is not illumined, darkness will be eliminated. So then to illumine darkness, I need another light which is not virodhi of this darkness. but at the same time has the ability to illuminate. So in the same way, the Ajnatata in Vishaya is eliminated by the Pramana, which functions through Chidabhasa. But Ajnatata is illumined by Sakshi and not eliminated. So you have to accept that all Vishayas will have Ajnatata illumined by Sakshi, and then Jnatata also illumined by Sakshi. And here what is said is that these Pramana Vrittis, which are Chidatma Swarupani Jnanani, what do? Tat akara akaritani vishayagata Ajnatatam abhivanti. They overpower or eliminate the Ajnatata, which is Vishayagata. I hope that much part of the sentence is okay. Right? And then further it is said, Vishaya Prakasha Shabda Vachyani Bhavanti Ityartha. So what has happened through this process? Vishaya became Prakashita. So now we say Vishaya Jnanam is there. This whole process, Vishaya Prakasha Shabda Vachyani. Bhavanti Ityartha. यस्य ज्ञानम एवं प्रकारेण बहिस्पंदते तस्मा इति संबंधः. सो यस्य आत्मनः ज्ञानम एवं प्रकारेण बहिः विषयैः बहिस्पंदते विषयैः संबध्यते तस्मै नमः. तस्मै श्री गुरुमूर्तये नमः. उक्तम अर्थम श्रुत्या दृढ़यति. नाउ दिस इज made more firm by Shruti. Janameti. Aham idam janami iti swagatena nirapeksha prakasha rupena vishayam avabhasayan yaha swayameva bhasate tameva bhantam prakashamanam anusritya etat samastam jagat bhati na swata iti akshara yojana. अहम इदम जानामि इति स्वगतेन निरपेक्ष प्रकाश स्वरूपेण विषयम अवभासयन. So when anybody says aham idam janami, in that expression swagatena nirapeksha prakasha rupena. So swagata prakasha, which is nirapeksha means not expecting anything, because swemahim nipratisthitah. Atma prakasha is nirapeksha prakasha. निरपेक्ष प्रकाश रूपेण विषयम अवभासयन, इल्यूमिनिंग द विषयस, यह स्वयमेव भासते तमेव भान्तम अनुभाति सर्वम. तो यह आत्म चैतन्य आत्मा स्वयमेव भासते. आत्मा इज शाइनिंग ऑन इट्स ओन. अहम तमेव भांतम प्रकाशमानम अनुसृत्य. अनु मीन्स अनुसृत्य. पश्चात, आफ्टर दैट, हैविंग फॉलोड दैट, आत्म प्रकाश, एतत् समस्तम जगत भाति, दिस एंटायर जगत इज इल्यूमिन्ड, न स्वतः इति अक्षर योजना. दिस इज द अक्षर योजना. This is how you have to put the words. So swagatena nirapeksha prakash rupena vishayam avabhasayan. This is the main idea. Then that is explained as swayameva bhasate tameva bhantam anubhati sarvam. So Jagat does not have its own sphuranam. Main idea is you have to connect with the original, because the question raised in the previous Vartika was, how do you say Paramatma is illumining everything? We don't see Paramatma present there. So that's why Shruti says Tameva Bhantam Anubhati Sarvam. And our Anubhava is, whenever I say Janami, Pashyami, Shrunomi, whatever, any Jnanam, first Jnanam is Aham. Aham is Nirapeksha Jnanam. bahirvishaya jnanam is sapeksha jnanam. Even aham sukhi iti aham janami. Aham sukhi means nobody says aham sukhi iti aham janami. They say aham sukhi. So you have to understand that I am sukhi and there is jnanam of this fact that I am sukhi. Because without jnanam, there is no anubhava of sukha dukkha. So that is also illumined by Atma alone. तथा च श्रुति न तत्र सूर्यो भाति न चंद्र तारकम नेमा विद्युतो भांति कुतोयम अग्नि. दिस इज द श्रुति फेमस. न तत्र सूर्यो भाति न चंद्र तारकम. सो आत्मा is that which is independently shining. Surya, Chandra, Tarakam are not needed there. What to talk of this Agni? Not even Vidyut, lightning. Then what to talk of this Agni, the small lamp? Iti sarva prakara prakasha vishayatvoktya स्वप्रकाशत्वम प्रत्यक ब्रह्मणः upapadya. So this is first part, that pratyak brahma is swaprakash. In that na suryo bhati na chandra tarakam na ema vidyuto bhanti. So na suryo bhati, so that part is revealing that pratyaksha chakshurindriya doesn't reveal atma. Surya is presiding deity over chakshurindriya. So with that the upalakshana for all jnanendriyas. Na chandra tarakam, so chandra is presiding deity of mind, manaso devata chandramaha. So na chandra tarakam bhati. So anumanadi pramana are eliminated. Na ima vidyuto bhanti kutoyam agnihi. Agni means the vagindriya pramana is also eliminated because it is not vachya. Brahma is not vachya of any shabda. Brahma is avachya. Kutoyam agni. Iti sarva prakara vishaya sarva prakara prakash vishayatva uktya. Sarva prakara prakash means all types of light become vishaya of this Atma Chaitanya. All of them, they can't make Atma as their vishaya, but they all are vishaya of Atma. So Atma is swaprakasha. Swaprakashatvam pratyak brahmana upapadya tameva bhantam anubhati sarvam. When it shines, everything else shines. One aspect. Then tasya bhasa sarvam yudam vibhati. That they all are shining dependently only. Iti bhasamana atma prakashanuviddham etat sarvam jagat avabhasata iti nirdharayati. In this way, bhasamana atma prakasha anuviddham etat sarvam. Anuviddham sambaddham. Atma Prakasha Sambandhi is the entire Jagat. So if Jagat is known by Surya, Chandra, Tarakam, Agni, Vidyut, then all of them are illumined by Atma. Atma doesn't become their Vishaya. And if you use them as Pratyaksha Pramana, Anumanadi Pramana or Laukika Shabda Pramana, then those Pramanas, they illumine the entire world of Prameya only when Pramana themselves need a Pramata to operate. And Pramata Satta depends upon Atma, Shuddha Chaitanya, Sakshi. Pramata Sphuranam depends upon Sakshi. So Pramata Satta Sphuranam is dependent, then Pramata illumines Pramana, then Pramana will illumine Prameya. In this way, entire Jagat is illumined by Atma Chaitanya. एतत् सर्वं जगद अवभासते इति निर्धारयति। तथा च एतत् समस्तं जगत् अग्निं दहन्तम् अयो दहति इति वत्। जस्ट एज when the fire is burning, then the iron ball has the ability to burn. Agnim dahantam ayo dahati इति वत् यम भांतम अनु सर्वं भाति इति उच्यते। यम भांतम अनुभाति सर्वम इति उच्यते। तद एव एकम सर्व विषय भानम, दैट अलोन इज द भानम ऑफ ऑल द विषयस। न पुनर्विषयेषु भानांतरम स्वतः परतो वा उपपद्यते इति तात्पर्यार्थः। न पुनः विषयेषु एंड नॉट अगेन दैट विषय हैज एनी अदर भानम। भानांतरम मीन्स अन्यत भानम, भानांतरम। न पुनः विषयेषु भानांतरम स्वतः परतो वा उपपद्यते। नाइदर देर इज एनी अदर स्वतः भानम ऑफ विषय नॉर एनी अदर वे ऑफ परत भानम। ओनली आत्म भानम इज देर। तदा एव एकम सर्व विषय भानम। सो ऑल विषय भानम इज नथिंग बट रियली आत्म भानम ओनली, आत्मस्फुरणम अलोन इति तात्पर्यार्थः। This is the meaning of this shloka. Now that will be elaborated in the Vartika. Shloka Vyakhyam Pratijanite. The Shloka Vyakhya Pratignya is done now. Shloka Vyakhyam Pratijanite. Asyayam Bhava iti. Asya Dakshinamurti Stotragatasya चतुर्थ श्लोकस्य अयम भाव। ऑफ दैट फोर्थ श्लोक दिस इज द भाव विच इज एक्सप्लेन्ड हियर। तत्र जानामीति तमेव भान्तम इति तृतीय पाद भावार्थम वर्णयन्। इन द तृतीय पाद ऑफ द प्रीवियस श्लोक जानामीति तमेव भान्तम, इन दैट वर्णयन् भावार्थम वर्णयन् ईश संसर्गम विना विषय सत्ता स्फुरणयोर अंगीकारे। इफ विदाउट ईश्वर संसर्ग विषय सत्ता स्फुरण, इफ यू एक्सेप्ट, अंगीकारे बाधकम वक्तुम ईशस्य स्वप्रकाश सद्रूपतां साधयति। बाधकम वक्तुम, सो व्हाट इज द बाधक इन दैट? If you accept that without contact with Ishva, Isha means Atma, Isha Sansargam Vina, Vishaya Satta Sphurana, if it is there, then Badhakam Vaktum Ishasya Swaprakasha Sadrupta. Ishwara has Swaprakasha and Sadrupa, that is explained here. That if you don't accept that, then what will happen? Ahamityanusandhata जानामीति न चेत् स्फुरेत् कस्य को वा प्रकाशेत जगच्च स्यात् सुषुप्तवत्। अहमित्यनुसन्धाता जानामीति न चेत् स्फुरेत् कस्य को वा प्रकाशेत जगच्च स्यात् सुषुप्तवत्। अहमिति अनुसंधाता जानामीति न स्फुरेत् चेत्। The aham anusandhata means aham the pramata. If that sphuranam is not there in the form of like aham janami, in that aham anusandhata, if that is not having its own spurana, then kasya sphuranam bhavet, ko va prakasheta jagat, then whose spuranam it will be if anusandhata doesn't have spuranam, and who will illumine the jagat, and jagat will become सुषुप्तवत जगत च सुषुप्तवत स्यात् means jagat will become andhakara because there is no chaitanya anymore. If Atma Chaitanya is not there, there is no another Chaitanya at all. So everything will become dark. जानामीति अनुसंधाता अहमिति न चेत स्फुरेत इति संबंधः. जानामीति अनुसंधाता, this anusandhata, the one who thinks in this way, janamiti means the one who knows aham, then only janami comes. Aham iti na chet sphuret iti sambandha. So this is the connection. Yadva janami iti asmin avabhase aham iti anusandhata che na sphuret iti sambandha. Or in this expression janami, if aham, the anusandhata itself, is not having sphuranam, then kasyakova prakasheta. This is the sambandha. Tada what will happen? Jagadandhyam prasajyeta. Whole world would become dark, blind, because everything would be unknown. There is no Chaitanya anymore. Imagine there is no Pramata. Prameyas are there everywhere. Who will know? Nobody will know. That's why even if creation is there, Panch Mahabhutas are there, trees are created, not trees. Trees also, at least some jiva is there. But rocks are there, water is there, some air is there, fire is there, space is there. Land is there. Who will know anything? No experiencer is there. That's why you need Pramata. And that Pramata has to be alive. Dead Pramata will not work. So that alive Pramata, who is illumined, overpowered by Chaitanya, that alone will make everything function. तदा जगदान्ध्यम प्रसज्येत इति उत्तरार्ध अर्थः. That th, you just have to make little complete. एतदुक्तम भवति. In this regard, this is what we need to say. विषया यदि स्वतः एव प्रकाशेरन, if the Vishayas were self-illumining, self-shining, तदा अहम जानामि इति ज्ञानाश्रयत्वेन विषय अनुसंधातुः स्फुरणं न स्यात्. If Vishaya had Swayam Prakasha, then aham janami, in this way the jnana ashraya, jnanashrayattvena Vishaya anusandhatuhu spuranam. Vishaya anusandhata, this pramata, his spuranam will not be there. Why? Because Vishayas are self-shining, self-illumining. Means they are not dependent upon aham. Then tad abhave cha shila ghana pihita guhagata pradipavan maya viditoyam iti kasyapi navabhaseta. This is what I was saying, that if Pancha Mahabhutas are created but there is no Pramata, nobody will be knower. Example is given here. Shila ghana pihita guhagata pradipavat. There is a huge rock. Let us say when you go to Badrinath, Kedarnath, in between big mountains, they are like one rock only. In that there is a cave. So Shila Ghana, big thick rock. In that Pihita, by that covered is this Guha, cave. Tadgata Pradipa, in that let us say there is a lamp shining. Who will know that there is a lamp shining in this cave, hidden or covered by this huge rock? Nobody will know. Maya viditoyam iti kasyapi navabhaseta. Nobody will know that this is known by me. Tathacha, in the same way, सुषुप्तौ इव अप्रकाशमानस्य जगतः स्फुरण अभावात्. Like in Sushupti, aprakasamanasya jagatah. Jagat which is aprakashamana, spurana abhavat. There will not be any spuranam. Na tad vyavahara prasanga iti ato anyadhina spuranam jagato abhyupeyam. So jagat spurana would not be there like in Sushupti because of darkness everywhere. So like in Sushupti, Pramata is not available. So Chaitanya is not able to express, and therefore there is darkness. Means as far as Vishayas are concerned, nothing is known. Only we say that Sukham aham asvapsam na kinchid avedisham. That is also illuminated by Chaitanya. So Jagatah Spurana Abhavat na tad vyavahara prasanga, and therefore there is no jagat vyavahara. Iti ataha anyadhina spuranam jagatah abhyupeyam. Therefore jagat, the spurana of jagat is anyadhinam. It is dependent upon others. Tad adhinascha asya prakashah sa nitya prakasha rupa eva astheya. Yad adhina, not tad, yad adhinascha asya prakasha. Depending upon whom this asya jagatah, asya means jagatah, asya jagatah prakashah yad adhinah saha nitya prakasha rupa atma. That is nitya prakasha rupa atma eva astheya. This should be understood, established. Tasyapi prakashatvena anavastha prasanga. And if you say no, that is also prakashya, then you have to look for another prakashaka. Another not even prakashaka, you have to look for prakasha which is independently illumining. There will be anavastha. So in this way Atma Chaitanya is Svataspuranam and Anatma is Parataspuranam. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.